this is Series 2, Gross of ZURU Smashers, and you can collect over 100 in the series. And you can smash them and rebuild them. Okay, so these are the ones that they come in, and they come in every single one. You get 6 eyeballs in each pack. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it comes with a manual, so you can check off the ones you get. And it then tells you the steps of how to build it.
How to rebuild the eyeball. Cool. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna smash one.
Oh.
I got.
Hi.
Yeah.
All right, can you put it back together?
It's a filthy fly.
It's a filthy.
what's in a package.
It does say, tip, try placing a small piece of tape on the bottom or use the blister to hold all the pieces in place to make the rebuilding easier. So,
It's in a package.
ooh, what does that mean?
I
Glow in
don't
the dark,
know.
exclusive, something special?
I
bet it's something fancy.
It says in the glow in dark it's available in a pack.
Ooh.
So I think this is
You gonna
glow
open
in
it
the
up and
dark.
see?
Yeah. It looks yellow.
But
I
it's glow in the
don't
dark.
think it's an animal. Is it? It has something like slimy on it.
Ooh, yuck. Oh, gross.
What is that? Mommy, I need this. Let's see. It's an ultra rare. It's ultra rare ooze
It's the
juice.
slime surprise, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
the
a
ultra
slime
rare
dye.
slime surprise. You found a slime surprise, Parker. Well, there you have it. Those ZURU Smashers would make super fun stocking stuffers, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Except
All right. Thanks for watching.